$3 billion project opens its doors.
And when that MGM casino does open, it will be the 6th in the state of Maryland. The sudden growth in the gaming industry in a state that once banned casinos is prompting a war to win customers, as you can imagine. As Kevin Lewis reports, Maryland Live now is firing the latest shots in that war with a $200 million gamble in Arundel Mills.
The tallest building in Anne Arundel County, a fabulous new world-class hotel.
Over the next 18 months, this field will sprout a sleek 17-story luxury hotel connected to the Maryland Live Casino.
The rooms are first class.
Today, casino owner David Cordish boasted about the planned deluxe lobby and spa, plus 310 guest rooms, which will include penthouse suites. The hotel will also have a concert and banquet venue large enough to accommodate high school graduations.
We've had to send our parents and students out to Prince George's County, Baltimore County, other places for these very important milestone and events in the lives of those young people. Well, not anymore.
This project comes amid fierce and sudden gaming competition in Maryland. The Horseshoe Casino in Baltimore opened 2 years ago, and the MGM Casino at National Harbor is scheduled to open in December.
We pay the state of Maryland almost $1 million a day in gaming tax.
Cordish says in addition to extra tax revenue, his hotel will generate 400 new careers, not counting some 550 temporary construction jobs.
And so long as weather, material, and crews all cooperate, casino executives expect this hotel to be ready for guests by early 2018. Reporting in Hanover, I'm Kevin Lewis, ABC 7 News.
All right, time to talk about the weather now. And I love you keep describing this as a heat bubble instead of a heat wave.
Yeah, we've had the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days in a row where it's in the 90s. So today we're in the mid 80s, and tomorrow we get 1 day in the 90s. But it may be enough to tie a record high for the day.
Really?
But then it will quickly disappear by Thursday. So good stuff. Let's get started with a time lapse. This from our WeatherBug camera up the road at Washington Lee High School here in Arlington. A few clouds in the morning at sunrise time. But once the sun got up, high pressure takes over. Very little in the way of any cloud cover during the afternoon. Absolutely beautiful conditions. The temperature now 86 degrees across the area, and in Arlington, 84 now. Or is it 86? It keeps going back and forth here on our monitors. We know it's 84 in Silver Spring and 85 in Falls Church and Springfield. 89 degrees right now, warmer spots at College Park, 85 in Largo, 83 in Bowie, and currently 87 degrees in Washington. For the first pitch for the Nats hosting the Mets again tonight down the park, it'll be clear skies and temperature about 82 degrees, 80 somewhere in that range of first pitch, and then slowly dropping through the 70s. Moisture levels are up a little bit, so that'll kind of slow down the drop in temperatures overnight. But we think by early tomorrow morning, we'll probably range about 67 degrees in Aspen Hill and Fairfax, 64 in Manassas, Ashburn about 66 degrees, and about the same reading, 66, 67 south and east of the city. So what we're watching are three areas, three separate systems. High pressure overhead now that has given this incredible sunshine. That will move out and turn the winds for the next day or so out of the south and then the southwest. We also have a cold front moving through, and that one tomorrow, even though we're going to see temperatures in the 90s, this will come through tomorrow night and bring in much cooler air behind it. Now, while that's happening, we're watching this little low pressure area off the coast of Florida. It may develop into something in the next couple days. Hurricane Center is keeping an eye on it. It may become some sort of tropical circulation, plenty of showers and storms. If everything works out according to what we're thinking, as the cold front comes through, as you look at our futurecast tomorrow evening and early on Thursday morning, it looks like most of the rain will wash out. So we'll just have a little change in the wind direction, maybe some clouds early Thursday, and then pretty pleasant weather Thursday and Friday with sunshine, winds out of the northeast and cooler temperatures. But at the same time, we'll keep our eyes farther south to see what happens with that system. We're hoping the cold front will move far enough south that'll kind of block it off and keep us pleasant through the end of the week. We know tomorrow's going to be gorgeous to start again, about 68 degrees with sunshine, 89 degrees by midday and 94 in the afternoon. Our average high this time of September is 80 degrees. 94 is the record high for tomorrow, and we could tie it, and who knows, maybe even break it by a degree. So there are the records existing now for tomorrow. 94 at Reagan, 95 at Dulles, 94 at BWI at Thurgood Marshall, and our forecast highs will be somewhere right close to that record number. So see what happens after the front goes through tomorrow night. Look at that, sunshine, only 80 degrees on Thursday, which was average, by the way, 81 on Friday. We'll warm up a little bit over the weekend, 85 degrees Saturday, Sunday, We're thinking Sunday night when the next cold front comes through, probably our next best chance of showers and storms. And then early next week, our initial outlook calls for it to be fairly pleasant, partly cloudy, a little warmer than average in the mid-80s.
Okay.
But you know how just one day in the 90s, I can deal with that.
That's a major change, though, from one day to the next.
The cold fronts this time of year get a bit stronger, have more punch to them. That's why we'll get so much cooler on Thursday behind.
14-degree swing. That's always nice. All right, Doug.
We'll
Thanks.
take it.
Cell phones that are so dangerous, owners are being told to turn them off immediately.
Now, a temporary fix for those who either didn't listen or maybe missed the warning. We're going to tell you how that fix works, still ahead at 5.
Plus, we're going to check in with ABC7 veterinarian Dr. Katie Nelson. She is going to show us how, and her expert friends, about questions about adopting pets. Lots of good animals out there to pick up as a family member. We'll have that for you coming up.